In this video, I will show you how to remove background in Premiere Pro or CapCut without using a green screen. Today, I will show you 3 ways to remove video background without a green screen. Let's get started. Grab your clip and drag it into the timeline. Go to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Click the effect and drag it onto your clip. Once the effect is applied, open the Effect Controls panel and create a mask to select the part of the video you want to keep. In my case, I'll mask around the man, so I'll choose the pen tool and draw a mask around the subject. Try to be perfect with your masking if you want an exact result. With the mask done, it's time to remove the background. Select the inverted option that removes the background instead of the person. Then click the color picker to choose the color you want to remove. I'll select this white tint, but choose whichever color works best for your clip. Increase the color tolerance value to remove more of the background. The last step is to track the mask so it follows the subject's movement. Click the stopwatch next to mask path, then press the play button to let Premiere Pro track it automatically. This may take a moment, but it's still faster than tracking manually. Here is the result. In my case, it is not perfect, but you can get a better result if you do it perfectly. Alternatively, you can use an online background remover tool like Unscreen. Just upload your clip, wait for the process to complete, and download your file. It does the job very well. Or you can use CapCut. Add your video to the timeline and select your clip. After that, go to the video panel and select BG Remove, then tick Auto Removal and wait for the process to complete. As you can see, the result is very good. Hope one of the methods works for you. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.